you know, it's very cheeky of Harry. Now I have no ice cream. Now I'm no longer a friend. Harry's begging for ice cream. We're gonna watch Harry begging for ice cream. Let's have a look his face when he's thinking about ice cream.
Well, you're not going to get much from me because I got a lot from you. So we've got to be off.
It's interesting to see how Harry's cute face when he's looking for ice cream. Let's have a look, Harry. Let's have a look. Harry's begging for ice cream. Oh, poor Harry. Poor Harry, babe. See how far he pushed.
Oh, go on.
Babe, you're not supposed to. Harry, Harry, where are you? Where are you, Harry? Oh my God, Harry. Bye, Harry. Bye, Harry. What are all these things in here, Harry? What are all these things doing in here? Start live over, Harry. Are you cleaning, Harry? You cleaning? That's it, Harry. That's it. That's it. No more.
That's it, Harry. I'm doing so then.
That's it, Harry. Nothing. No more food. Harry, do you want more ice cream? Would you like to have some more ice cream, Harry? That's it. Bye, Harry. Okay, I'm going, Harry. Bye-bye. Harry, I'm going, okay? Bye. Bye, Harry.